3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Add the solution to the water tank. Hold double cup plus manual M buttons simultaneously. Turn the knob to steam position. The hot water will go through from the brewing head and steam tube. When flow stops, double cup light flashes rapidly. Turn the knob to the position and empty the containers. Then turn the knob to hot water position. Hot water flows from hot water outlets. When flow stops, turn knob to the position. All button lights illuminate gives machine returns to standby. Refill tank with clean water. Repeat the previous descaling steps. Finally drain tank completely. Descaling cycle finished.